In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an affiliates hub in Notion. An affiliates hub is a single place to store partner programs, track links, monitor commissions, and keep notes so you always know what's performing and what needs attention. We'll set this up quickly using a ready-made template and then tailor it to your workflow. Start by opening Notion. In the very top left of the app, click the small drop-down arrow. This opens the main menu where you can access workspace tools and resources. From here, click Templates. This brings up Notion's template options so you don't have to build your hub from scratch. Inside the template area, click Templates again to jump into the full Notion marketplace. Think of this as a library of pre-built pages and databases created to solve common use cases. Using a marketplace template saves time and gives you a structure that's already thought through for tracking affiliates. In the search bar, type Affiliates Hub. Keep it simple. Those two words will surface relevant options. If you see filters, you can leave them as default for now. The generic results are usually perfect. Wait a second for the results to load, then look for the option labeled for affiliates or partnerships management. Select the template that matches what you need. Take a quick look at the preview and description. You're checking for a clear database to store partner names, links, payout info, and notes. If the preview shows views like table, board, or calendar, that's a good sign you'll be able to track status and deadlines easily. Click Add to bring the template into your workspace. If prompted, choose the correct workspace or team space so your hub lands where you need it. Notion will create a new page with all the sections and databases already laid out, and you can move it in your sidebar later if you want a different home. Now edit the template to fit your process. Rename the page to something clear, like Affiliates Hub. Open the main database and adjust properties so they match what you track. Partner or program name, your unique referral link, commission rate, payout terms, current status, and any notes. If a property isn't useful, hide it. If you're missing something important, add a new property like product category, minimum payout, cookie duration, or priority. Customize views to make it easy to work. A board view, group by status, a calendar view for payout dates or renewal checks, and a table view filtered to active partners only. Add a short how to use this hub section at the top to document your workflow, and include example entries so everything is clear at a glance. And that's it. With the template added and tailored, you've got a focused affiliates hub in Notion that keeps programs, links, and payouts organized and actionable.